I'm not here to hurt you. I need your help. Please help us. This is a bad idea.
How is that? A cinematic masterpiece, right? And today, I'll be showing you exactly how I made it, so you can create it too. Now, making videos like this isn't as difficult as you might think, especially with all the advanced image and video tools available today. All you need is an idea and a bit of creativity. That's it. With that alone, you can create something truly amazing. For this video, I generated all the images using Nano Banana Pro, and for the video generation, I used a blend of Seedance and Kling, depending on the requirements. And the result is right in front of you. Trust me guys, this is the perfect time to start your AI content creation journey. If you don't start now, I'm telling you, you'll regret it later. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. Alright, the tool I use to create these videos is called VideoInu. This is one of my favorite tools for creating content, and I used it to generate the videos because it gives you truly unrestricted access. What I mean by that is you can make your characters say or do anything you want. And trust me, I've used many other tools, but this one by far gives you the most freedom. It even supports Sora 2 image to video with highly realistic visuals, which is something you won't find anywhere else right now. I honestly don't know how they pulled this off, but it works perfectly every single time. Now, before you move ahead with your video generation, it's very important to first come up with a strong video idea and the images. For the idea, I was just watching Game of Thrones and thought, maybe I could create something in that style and show it to you guys, but you can literally choose any topic you like. Get inspired by movies or series, or you can even create your own cinematic universe. For the images, I use Nano Banana Pro, and I applied the multi-frame generation technique for this video. I gave just one prompt, and it created the entire scene draft, which is honestly outstanding. I've already made a detailed video explaining how you can create a scene sequence like this, so make sure you check that out. It will literally change your content creation game. Here are all the scene images that I generated. As you can see, they look amazing and are very consistent. Now it's time for the most important part, turning these images into videos. Let's do it. To open VideoInu, simply click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you'll see an interface like this. As you can see, it offers many different options for creating content. I've already shown you how to use this tool to create stunning anime-style movies using its Sora 2 version, which is only available here. Make sure you check that video out, you'll be amazed. Now, to generate image to video, you need to click on the image to video option from here. This will take you to this interface. Here, you can generate both text to video and image to video content. For this video, we'll be using the image to video option. Next, when you click here, you can see all the available video models. Now, this Sora 2 version here can bypass real face detection filters, and pro users can generate using Sora 2 for free without costing any credits. Also, apart from that, as you can see, it includes some of the best models out there. And as I mentioned earlier, these models are completely unrestricted, which is a huge advantage because it allows you to showcase your creativity without any interference. For this project, I used a blend of Seedance 1.5 Pro and Kling, but mostly Seedance 1.5 Pro. Here's what I did for the first scene. I uploaded the image here, and for the prompt, I used a very simple one. As you can see, I mentioned the camera movements in the prompt and also specified not to add any background music so the scene flows better. I can always add background music later, and this is the result it generated. Great result, right? The walk feels natural and realistic with proper weight and smooth movement, no stiffness at all. The character stays perfectly consistent with no glitches or unwanted changes. The camera remains steady, and the crunching footsteps sync perfectly with each step on the rocky path. Seedance 1.5 Pro turns a single image into clean, production-ready footage. Now here's another example. This time, this is the scene image, and this is the prompt I used. Always make sure you clearly mention exactly what you want, the camera movements, and what you want the character to do or say. Keep it simple and don't overcomplicate it. And this is the output. Wow. Outstanding. If you had told me a year ago that something like this could be created with just a few text prompts, I wouldn't have believed you. But here we are. The level of detail is insane. The glowing eyes, the teeth, even the tongue. This looks like high-end creature work straight out of Game of Thrones or The Hobbit, the kind that once required massive VFX teams and huge budgets. The animation feels smooth and professional, and the roar is powerful and perfectly synced. With cinematic lighting and rendering, Seedance 1.5 Pro is delivering true Hollywood-level results. This is the future. Now here's another example. This time, I wanted the character to speak. This is the input image, and this is the prompt I used. As you can see, I mentioned exactly what I wanted the character to say inside quotation marks, and I also specified the tone of the voice, which is very important. And this is what it created.
I'm not here to hurt you. I need your help.
The voice sounds incredibly natural, like a real actor recording in a studio, with clear emotion and perfect delivery. The lip sync is flawless, and the facial expressions match the dialogue naturally. Ambient sounds and clean audio mixing make the scene feel real and cinematic. Honestly, this feels more human and polished than VO 3.1. Seedance 1.5 Pro is setting a new standard. Next, I simply followed the same formula and created all the required clips one by one. And remember, I didn't get the perfect result on my first try. I had to regenerate a few times until I got the result I wanted, so don't get discouraged if your first generation doesn't turn out great. After that, I brought everything into CapCut, did a bit of editing, added a filter, added background music, and that was pretty much it. So there you have it, folks. Now you know how to create something like this without any creative restrictions using VideoInu. I don't know what they did, but they've definitely made my content creation process much easier, so what are you waiting for? Go try it out. The link is in the description. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.